Unlock a whole new dimension of creative power in Photoshop by seamlessly integrating the cutting-edge capabilities of Nano Banana. First, let's get Nano Banana installed. Head over to the Nano Banana website, download the latest Photoshop plugin, and follow the simple installation wizard. Once installed, relaunch Photoshop. Next, we need to ensure Photoshop recognizes Nano Banana. Go to Photoshop's Edit menu, then Preferences, and select Plugins. Make sure the box for Enable Generator, or a similar setting that allows extensions, is checked. Your system should now have access to all of Nano Banana's incredible features. Now, let's customize your workspace. You'll notice a new Nano Banana Tools panel has appeared. Likely docked on the right side of your screen, you can drag and drop this panel, just like any other Photoshop panel, to position it where it best suits your workflow. The real magic happens within the Nano Banana panel itself. Explore the various tools and sliders designed to intelligently enhance your images. From subtle color grading to complex texture generation, experiment with the options to see how they can dramatically speed up your creative process. For example, the Smart Enhance feature can instantly refine lighting and color balance, while the Generative Fill options can blend elements or add realistic details with surprising ease. These are not your typical filters. They're intelligent assistants designed to amplify your artistic vision. By strategically incorporating Nano Banana into your Photoshop workflow, you can achieve professional, stunning results faster than ever before, opening up new avenues for your creative projects. Dive in and explore the future of image manipulation.